Hey, here's a quick review on this 14-piece silicone cooking utensil set. It's a perfect addition to any kitchen. And first off, these utensils are made from heat-resistant food-grade silicone, which means they can handle temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Even in a hot frying pan, they won't melt or give off smoke. Plus, they're BPA-free and odorless, making them safe for all types of cooking. Just a tip, soak them for 30 minutes when you first get them and let them air out for a few hours to remove any initial silicone smell, okay? I love the handles. Not only are they stylish, but they also prevent heat transfer, so no worries about burning your hands while cooking. Each handle has its own unique color and texture, adding a natural and elegant touch to your kitchen. Now, this set includes also 9 essential cooking tools, like a deep soup ladle, slotted spoon, spatulas, pasta server, and more, plus 4 baking tools and a large utensil holder. It's an all-in-one solution, so you don't have to waste money buying separate pieces. And the silicone protects your nonstick pans from scratches. So big win there. Overall, this set is functional, stylish, and durable, whether it's for yourself or as a gift. I highly recommend it. Check it out.